The secret that nobody's talking about on how to create more customer flow into your business. Pay attention till the end. I think we can all agree it would be so awesome if we could just have all of our customer service tactics all in like one email box that we can just like send out emails to everyone, and that would work great. I think we can all agree on that. And I think we can all agree we need to meet customers where they are. So not everyone is just in their email all day and that's it. They're on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and they're all over the place. So it's becoming more and more obvious that we are going to have to be in people's DMs inboxes to communicate better with them. And guys, if you are getting any kind of value out of this, please like this post and don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, back to the story. So hopping in people's DMs really poses a really great opportunity to just build rapport with your customers. Now, a really great tactic is after 30, 60, 90 days, you are reconnecting with these customers, asking them what their feedback is and if they're still enjoying the product. Now, what we should do is, use Google Sheets or whatever you have, create a segment of VIP customers and get their information. And then that way, you're consistently reaching back out to them after that 30, 60, 90 day mark. And then when you also have new products or new services coming out, you can let them know about it and let them come in early. And this is going to add to your LTV. Your LTV is your lifetime customer value. And again, the more we can involve these people, the more money we're going to make as business owners. And also, we're also going to give, actual value to the client. This is just so important to just involve them as much as we can and get as creative as you can. And I actually know of a brand that's using 5 separate people, and all they do all day is just work in Instagram DMs, building rapport with the customer, building those relationships, and getting that feedback. So this is really important stuff to increase the LTV of your customers. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.